renovation. Even we hit the best. Plenty achievement for your time, oh. Our life we done better, eh. Obaseki and Shaibu, now them be the winning team. Godwin Obaseki, now you we want to go. Cause it is what you do for it, oh. Now you be winner. Make we put PDP. Oh, our man, oh. PDP. Power to the people.
No man is God, no man is God, Obaseki our governor, backward, forward ever, backward never, There's no problem together, Godwin Obaseki our governor, Ohimano is the right person for the job. Our governor, Ohimano. Listen again.
No man is God, Obaseki our governor, forward ever, backward never, Let's go further together, Godwin Obaseki our Obaseki is the right candidate for a Oh yeah, 4 plus 4 equals to continuity. Yes. Dogba, Obaseki, continue your work. You do Open Stadium renovation. Even we hit the best. Plenty achievement for your time, oh. Our life we done better, eh. Obaseki and Shaibu, now them be the winning team. Godwin Obaseki,
Hello? May I call you back? I'll call you back. I did live video. Them plenty achievements, yo. Let them bring you the best. Many renovation. Everybody they happy for it, though. They say Obaseki na correct governor. Obaseki na umbrella. Obaseki na umbrella. Obaseki na PDP. Obaseki na PDP. Na PDP we dey. Obaseki no be bro. Obaseki no be bro. PDP. Power to the people. Yes, my people. Now we're done. Happy weekend. On a day. Hope everywhere good. First, make I thank our people as they support my party, the People's Democratic Party, and my governor, Governor Noelase Obaseki, and his amiable governor, deputy governor, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu. Watakuna, the governor, rounded up his world campaign yesterday. The governor visited the 192 wards. 192. When the timetable came out, I was like, how? I wanted to travel around the 192 wards. That's why I call him a marathon. That's why I don't people call him a marathon. That's why we call him wait and see. I can say, I was going to talk, I go do more. I just thought maybe after some words, maybe they'll just change it to, they will not change it to Logo Gome rally.
said, the governor said no. That if the people can trust you with their votes on that day, they can trust you with their votes, why can't you go to them? That he's the number one, he's the servant of the people, and he should go to his employers. That they are the ones that employed him in 2016 to do this job. So he's going to them to show the people at the world level his report card, and also tell them his plans for the next 4 years. I was with him all through by the grace of God. There was no accident all through the campaigns. Like I told one of my boys when we were traveling, I said, if there is anything that we get free in this government, if there is anything that I will be grateful to Obaseki for, is that through his campaign, he has taken me around all the wards in Edo State. If you ask me the road to Bode now, I will tell you. If you ask me the road to all the wards in Africa Edo now, I will tell you. If you ask me the roads to all the wards in Esa land, I will tell you. Now, part of the things when we gain from the world campaign, that, and I was still able to meet with my fans. Sometimes I go able to show people, they rush to me. Cracking boss, please let me just take a picture with you. Cracking boss. Sometimes I go, they rush. They understand the nature of my job, that before governor come down for motor, I said, well, don't position myself to feel reporter. I was able to meet with my fans at the grassroots level. Talk barriers, feed marshals, they were always there. Sometimes I had a video that you see somebody there, be cracked in. Thank you. We love your work. So I keep telling you people, social media is powerful. Please share this broadcast. Invite your friends. We have 658 people watching. Please give me 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares and 2,000 likes. I need 2,000 likes and 1,000 shares. Please. Let me just wait. I will not continue this gist because we'll never enter the main gist until you give me 1,000 shares. Hello? Who they talk? Number where you now? We are here now. Okay, my live video now. Yeah, true. I will call you back. No, it will be a akuta now. I go at 20. I worry. At you back. You real live video. You have to back. Yeah, true now. So my mobilizers across different ones. So give me 1,000 shares. Let me check. 1,000 shares. When I hear that, if now know the way these shares they affect EPM, not for not even the waste time. Not for not the way make an tell now first. Let me see how many shares we have already. Please, 1,000 shares. Please, if you are watching me, we have 707 people watching. Over 600 have not shared. Please. Then give me 2,000 likes. Then just be flooding this place with comments. We already have 482 comments in 9 minutes. Election now, but idea election now. Please, 1,000 shares. Please, give us shares, give us likes. So I was able to meet, as the governor was meeting with his people, across all the wards we visited. I also had the privilege of meeting with my fans, with my supporters, people that are following me, that are sharing my work, that are commenting, that are so people were able to tell me, you go give me my data money today. Money when I tell they watch you. Now you they bought my data and they beg them. Wow, I not get money to give you now. But when I not vex, if I have money, I will just set up a system that will credit all my fans data, but the money is not there. So that data you are using to watch me is your own contribution to the development of our great state. All through the campaign, tire not burst. Say tire can't burst to convoy, can't stop. All through the campaign, no accident. No accident, nobody die. Even when for Shomole Ward, even when they sponsor attack against the governor's convoy, thank God for the security men that were there. They were able to overpower them and chase them away. So I want to say a big thank you to all of you. Now prayer don't work. Now prayer, the one that they pray for the governor, the one that they wish and well. Then they do juju up and down. EPM leaders now, they are paying different native doctors. They are prayer before and make this prayer make God on the sick, make enough campaign. But God can't grant our governor good health. God can't grant our deputy governor good health. God can't grant all our leaders that not be. All our leaders across the 3 senatorial districts, God can't grant them good health, can't give them good health to campaign. Even me, una boy, una son, una brother, and my field marshals, God wants to give us good health to take support our governor, to stay follow everywhere. When we talk and say Exodus movement, and this is with a joke. Isn't that match with the make say Exodus movement? Anywhere Obaseki go, we go. And this is our mouth. This is if they talk, this is our mouth that they make. Now when it don't turn reality, they go say, yeah, more about working away they do. Yes, no mano. When we say Exodus movement, they say with a joke. Say maybe na play with the play. They don't say we mean that. Say anywhere Obaseki go, we go. And as we stay follow for this Exodus campaign, as God on the go that day, I go turn by your see people. They follow her. Again, one day we true for the party chairman, our state party chairman, Honorable Anthony Azegbemi. We true with this one got sleep with me. Only for us to follow governor. We don't say governor get meeting for Billy that day. Until we go to shit back and that is what we say, now Billy with this, so not be Romy we supposed to go. And so we then follow governor reach Billy. Anywhere Obaseki go, we go. When we talk and they say we joke. Today now they don't see him. They don't see him. Now they're not asking question. Maybe they told us before when we were in APC, in that evil party, when Shomole already destroyed. Even at the state, at the national and the state level, Shomole has destroyed the APC. They say Obaseki will not get people. Obaseki will not get people. If you want the car, nobody will follow her. Philip not go follow her. Oge not go follow her. Ida not go follow her. People they measure everybody. They know their job or their blessing. They know. That's why they always pay for people who they deceive. Who they deceive, who they follow them blindly, foolishly, cheapishly, slavishly. They are wrong man. So they send message. How bad? Now let you go follow governor, go PDP. PDP not go give a ticket. No, there's a bit wrong mouth. Then they will get the PDP tickets. We get the endorsement and support of all the PDP key leaders. People follow us from APC to PDP. And as we speak, the ones who still remain for APC, their conscience, their heart is with the governor. Is with the governor. Now only EPM, we get 3 sets of people. Political groups and the political parties for Edo State. The ruling party, People's Democratic Party, PDP, where our governor are candidates. Then we get APC, we not get candidates. APC not get candidates for Edo election. The state chairman of APC also did not get candidates. The former interim national chairman of of APC, Chief Victor Giadon, say APC don't get candidate for Edo. Say they not do primaries for Edo. We have PDP, APC, and EPA. So Isaiah Muna EPA. That's why we get support. The support base for governor for PDP not be here. The support base for governor for APC not be here. Now only EPN, which Oshomole also belong, because Oshomole has been suspended at his ward level. Even after they removed him as national chairman, he never still go rectify him. So it's just a parabolic for nothing. Today that they are not sure that people they not expect say go follow governor. Everybody follow governor go. PDP. PDP is working stronger in Edo every day. Our great party is working stronger. So I want to thank all of you. I want to appreciate you. The plan of the evil ones. No, if you work for Edo. Thank God, say God pushed Tony Kabaka. God used Tony Kabaka to expose the evil plans of EPN. And their candidate is Eyamu. Una notice since that video come out, they don't do Garden of Tigers Alliance again. Una don't notice her. Since that time, Kabaka never gather band, they play band for Eyamu house. Since that time, I don't see Garden of Tigers Alliance from the 18 local government. We don't see the Garden of Tigers Alliance where Eyamu for us every they move from polling unit to polling unit, from ward to ward. Say some are even dangerous that they will move from their local government, they will move to another local government. Now don't see that kind of gathering. I tell you now, say Eyamu has the poorest and the weakest media team in Edo State, in Nigeria safe. Because that is supposed to be a secret meeting when they're supposed to get to disrupt election. But you don't say Tony Kabaka like media where he like making name the rain. God can't push and they can't record and they can't still use their hand upload them for social media. Now we carry and say, so you are recruiting Tigers Alliance to disrupt election in Edo State. Before he denied them recently. Saying they tell them say in the past, saying if they advise them, say they don't move from unit to unit, ward to ward, and local to local, saying in the past that was what they were doing. That he was advising them. Now we can't break the English down for us. Say no. You just say you go school. I'm listening to GST. See what you talk. You win and you had. Don't be the same. See that thing at the conscious top. See, now see the way Isaiah they deny them. That's why you go deny now when they go arrest you that day. This arrest, because Buhari already won Oshomole. They don't already want Oshomole for Abuja. Say make it not create problem for Edo. They don't want to make anybody die for this election. As it take deny on that, so you go take deny on once they arrest you, once soldier police arrest you. If there's so military uniform give you when you wear them. If the real military catch you, you are in trouble. You know, come aside. If there's so police uniform give you that day you wear them. Say because they don't promise you, they don't say you. They say they get to her, they don't lie to you. Say they get IG, they get ruin and lie. They arrest you. You know they come out. May we see how the when federal government go bring police to come do free and fair. May we see how the Tigers Alliance will take move from ward to ward, from unit to unit. May we see from local government to local government. May we just see how they'll take move from local government to local government. The reason I am doing this video today is for everybody when they watch me now. After this broadcast, you go carry your phone. If you don't get money to buy a card, borrow. Borrow 100 naira. Borrow 200 naira. If you die abroad, I know say car not be no problem again for this life. And God will continue to be blessed and make car not be no problem. Now go carry phone. Now go watch Tony Kabaka videos. Now go watch Osabo videos. Now go watch Shaba videos. Now go watch all the Eyamu videos. Now go watch. Now go look for the tigers and the lions when relate to now. Now carry phone. I also say some of una get brothers when they support the fake pastor. Now call her, hello. election day o. But so you have a tag and a lion in the Zayam here. I go never matter. You know, some of them they smoke, some of them they do nonsense. Say, please, on that day, go to where you vote. Vote. Wait, may they count your vote. They may they answer. If they arrest you, you call mama, you call papa, or you say, may they call me, you are in trouble. Then you can't tell them the dangers of this election when you want to go. Why you don't need to offer himself to be used by all these desperate politicians in EPN. I'll carry phone. I'll call them. Because at the end of the day, now very few of them will foolishly go fool themselves that day. And police don't go fail. DSS don't go fail to clamp down on them. Edo election is going to be the freest election in the history of Nigeria. Now mark the day. The governor has assured, the governor is the chief security officer in this state. He has assured Edo Polo of full security. Full security. If they give you gun that day, you don't go see where carry that gun pass. Come bet me. Come bet. I said that day, if they give you gun, if all these desperate APC, all these desperate EPN that give you gun, you don't see where carry and pass. Police go hold you with the gun that day. You see them. You see about talking. You go see them. So call your people when they follow them. Call them. If they all give you mobilization money, so go inside your house, go sleep. Because all those money they were given are stolen money, not be their own. Now our money they just steal in the past and they want to bring come aside so. And God will push Oshomole will release all the money when they get, and God will disappoint on that day. After the election, go broke. We'll begin to sell the properties to the chop. So all the target, if you know that you get brother, when stubborn, when they physically use for via, tell them say eat them. That's a call that they make it not pick up. If you get Tigers Alliance for Orion, when you know that they physically use on that day, carry phone, because this one will easy for them. For Orion, call them say, if I saw wearing and some other desperate EPN leaders for Orion will call you, not pick their call. Orion don't say to one day, but everywhere, call them. Since they do an election and they travel, nobody don't die. But there are three people don't die for their campaign. Shomole convoy, Abizayamu convoy, get us the two police die. I never hear say they don't bill, when they give them money, they're going to give the family 100 million each. I never even see say Shomole don't go visit the family of those police, those security men will die 100 million. The last time they say Denko convoy hit somebody, the woman died. I saw a video of the woman's children saying Denko was in the convoy. I said Denko wants to sue me now. I'm waiting for them to submit court papers. I'm waiting. We don't think they say Ovia, the two local governments in Ovia South and Ovia North is Obaseki. Why give her? 2 times they don't go Ovia and people they die. Because the ancestors of Ovia are angry with Denko. The ancestors there, they are angry with Dennis. Over a year ago, you go meet them for votes. They give you votes. They vote against Omosede. Even when Omosede was the smartest. I still tell you tomorrow, I have no regret supporting you. That is why I will do everything to make sure that you deliver on your electoral promises to the people. I have no regret that I supported Denko. No regrets. Please share this broadcast. Why invite hey? What's say WhatsApp okay? Invite Denko to come and listen. I hardly regret my decisions. At that point, I supported you, told me your plans. Some of the things you told me, I said, this is not possible for a first time, and you said they're possible. Today, now, you are running from pillar to post. All the things you promise your people, you not do it. As I said, you don't go rush one ball after I started to criticize you. Don't do rush one ball, put small tank on top. I will personally drive to that place. I will drive there to stream that project live. So if you are from Ovia, you are watching me, call your people in Ovia. Denko cannot deceive them. Denko told somebody that me with her for this life. Denko told somebody that he's going to deal with me. I don't know how he's going to do it to, whether an assassin he wants send o, whether an talks he wants send o, whether an police he wants send o, whether an court he wants use o. He told somebody. Person told me, say Denko wa nyakewe. Denko nyakewe nyaga. I told the person, I said, Denko is a weakling. Denko is a weakling. You know, only money he gets, which we know I will take make him, I take make the money. And when the time comes, people when they gather did that side, people when no one don't do business with them. Many don't call me. They already work with me to place where it belongs. If he's not careful, he won't even finish these 4 years. Send this message to Denko. If he's not careful, he won't finish the 4 years. I will sponsor a recall. If recall never worked for Nigeria before, I will prove and to say with Denko it will work. When I was supporting you against opposition, they should really suit you. Now, are you not saying I should not support the governor against you? When I was supporting Denko, I need the body, don't call me. How about? Why you saying that now? How about? Why you go back to right now? He was always calling me. I was more like his special advisor. You cannot write, Dennis, Denko, you cannot write your political story without my name in all the paragraph. You can't skip one paragraph without putting my name there. Can't. Your neighbors will not Ghana before you don't carry family come from Canada. They're in Abuja now. Your neighbors, all of them, they call me. How about if they could try you? Let us know. I have no regret supporting you. It's your people that will decide if they will allow you to continue or if they will give you the second term. The reason why Denko is desperate now is because he wants to support Izeyamu so that, God forbid, if Izeyamu win, Izeyamu will give him a second term. And you are saying, you that have not performed, over a year now, you are parabolating there in Abuja. You dey follow Patrick Aso where they will not get any history of achievement in his constituency. Wabe Patrick Koyugba Mobile. Patrick that is buying filling station everywhere with all people money. Ogilere Mobile. You are parabolating Abuja. Since you came now, instead of you to move around and show the people, show us what you have done. You are busy spending Ovia people's money on Izeyamu. The same Izeyamu that you tell me for your car park. Say Obaseki better pass Izeyamu 100 times. If you deny, can I go to Yariebe? Can I go to Matama? You told me that Obaseki is your friend. You told me the last time, you said even when you go to the governor last time, you go buy newspaper and we governor read for Abuja. You told me that you were going to flog EPM in Ovia. Say EPM Mawa Ikamaya Mea. When you were doing a peace settlement, let's settle comrade, let's settle Izeyamu. I told you when you come here, I tell you, say, Sepa, if you continue this part of settlement, then me and you will get issue. I said the fight is, Oshomola is fighting Edo people. And the fight must be sustained. Is that you are with us or you are against us? He said, no, one WhatsApp with me today, one via WhatsApp. They were already mobilizing that they want to do protest, block all the entry points to Edo, that they want to shut down. He was working with some cheap student union, some cheap student union comrade. Also, honorable, they said they will block major roads to Edo from Lagos, from Abuja, from Delta. They will block everywhere. Say, may Buhari intervene, may Buhari settle Oshomole and there. In that WhatsApp group, I told them, I said, I will resist this protest. I said, I will resist this protest. And I didn't, not talk that protest matter again. I said, I will resist the protest. I said, nobody is sitting on the fence here. Tell us where you belong. If you are with Oshomole, stand with Oshomole. If you are with us, declare. Maybe we know where we are. Because when we are fighting for you, we will not stay neutral. Governor takes side completely with you. Almost any man when they against or even the governor, the company, the governor, you think we'll be happy with you. You cannot cannot eat your cake and have it. You cannot betray me and expect me to still respect you or to still support you. It's not possible. You are a betrayer, Dennis. See your local government and look at what the commissioner is doing there. Look at what all the PDP leaders are doing there. Dennis is now begging for them to allow him win his unit and his ward. That's what is there. They could not give up on Ovia completely. That person now when they say that one I don't make matters worse for Denko. You want to sue me? Denko, you will say you want to sue me. And they will know you send me court papers. I dey wait when you send me court paper. Look at your man. I never talk to you. I dey wait. Say I'm almost a day give you during that election as small compared to what you see from my field marshals across the globe. Even in Abuja, there people will go National Assembly. They never tell you with my plans when I get for you. Sue me. I dey wait for you submit the court papers. I'm waiting. The woman children when die, when measure me, you not go sue them. I mean you want to sue. Not a shame. So my Ovia people, Denko is not contesting. Now I would say I'm not God to tell you whether Denko will get second term or not. I'm not God. After this election, I will decide. This is Obasanjo's election, and you all, if you are watching me outside the country, you are from Ovia, carry phone, call your group before they go deceive them. Tend to come out en masse. They should go and vote for Obaseki, vote for PDP. Wait. After they vote, they will hang around. Wait for their vote to be counted. The result will be declared there, pasted. The result will be pasted on the wall. Then some of them will now escort the result to the World Collation Center. From the World Collation Center, they will now escort the result to the local government collation center. Operation Defend Your Vote. Your vote is your power. Your vote is your future. You must do everything to defend it. People see this period as opportunity to make money. But I see this period as opportunity to make to contribute my quota to Edo project moving forward, moving to the next level. For Orion, that one, Asawari has been dislodged in Orion. For Orion, Asawari has been dislodged in Orion. Orion people in diaspora, now they do well. Please, you people should continue. The real campaign starts tomorrow. From tomorrow till election day, let everybody be calling their people. All those calls when they call their people for village is working. Nobody wants to see Patrick Asawari in Orion. For 20 years, he has been in power. Nothing to show. If Patrick Asawari do ball today, next month ball no go run again. If they do street light today, the next month this channel will on again for 20 years now. And I with them could not be best friends. Two of them now follow governor come PDP. Two of them I see governor believe pass. They were even the ones going to the governor to say, oh, Iyomere is fighting you. This one is fighting you. And then they come betray governor. So please, the good people of Ovia Northeast, Ovia Southwest. I know Denko struggled to win that election. Struggled. When we sell land. We sell land. We sell land. Today now, Ovia people don't tire for Denko. Can I ask a question? What it is with Denko promise us? Okun Road, should we Denko say he will carry federal government to come tie the road? All the things, all your campaign promises, I have them. I will soon flood the internet with it. So that person when you call, say you will deal with me, you will still call the person. Go on, yo. I know you'll be a very dangerous person. I know you. I'm also waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. May I hear say that some people come my house. Who come, they say that they say they come. Even if they come, they disguise come, I don't know. They don't be streets, don't believe with they. Before you make 2-3 calls, they don't already know come. They don't already know. So I know you. All the people who stand with you for Ovia, they are with the governor today. Now why the election they had you? It's difficult. You can't even campaign your local government. You are finding it difficult to campaign your own local government. And Izeyamu is mounting serious pressure on Denko. You told us that we don't have a problem in Ovia. What is happening in Ovia? Because Ovia people don't want to see Izeyamu. They don't want to see them. They don't increase fuel now. But they have the pump fuel. Nobody want vote for APC on that day. Nobody. That's why don't only wait for governor to come and defend your vote or to now you be the security to your own vote on that day. Secure and protect your vote. We know ourselves. Anybody will call your polling unit, do everything. Make sure that before you go your polling, you charge your phone. Don't use your battery anyhow. Till they declare the result, don't use your battery anyhow. If they can't destroy the election there, anywhere you run, go, make sure you capture 1 or 2 person face. There's a system already. I don't want to tell, not every time I will tell now. There's a system already to cage them. The tigers and the lions, the system to cage them. So on that day, come out a mass and vote across the 18 local governments. Once they see the crowd who come out with their PVC, so they buy PVC, they clone PVC. How many can they buy? How many can they clone? Don't disturb yourself. Don't disturb yourself. I mean, the tigers and lions, many past police, so they want to deploy come. Many past armies will get checkpoints everywhere. Now, man, they those tigers and lions, you go have a election here, the phone, yo. We know them. We know them. We know they at the phone, yo. Now, money the way you chop. Why not so surprising people don't resign again? Why are they not resigning? Because they don't spend money again. They don't crash. Their campaign don't crash this grant. That's why they say government don't start campaign. Now, government is still campaigning as we speak. Where are they? God, they're going to do what to what. They're going to start what to what. Not be there, they're going to keep people through away. Copy. So my people, one thank you now. More appreciate you now. This election, we don't win now. We don't win this election. PDP don't win this election. Obaseki don't win this election. The vote is there already. The vote, the masses don't already shine their PVC. They wait to vote for Obaseki. All we need to do is for you and I and government to defend our vote. Finish. You vote, you wait for your vote to be counted, result declared, result will be pasted on the wall before you leave. Then you will now set up people to escort the results. You may not go change them for road to the World Collation Center. That's all you need. That is all we need. This is our future. All this money that they are borrowing everywhere, that they are spending everywhere, God forbid if they win, we are in trouble. All they just need to do now to allocate all the parts to their tigers and the lions. Hotel and the government to demolish. Other two more will go in there. Because they will be too hostile this time around. It will worse. Bus drivers will suffer. That's why I will do my best to make sure they don't say I'm not going, you won't feel win one word. Free and fair election, say I'm will not win his unit. Get one pastor, wait on Pastor Cassie. Say in a free and fair election, say I'm will vote for Obaseki. Free and fair election, Isaiah will vote for Obaseki. Isaiah will vote for PDP on election day. And they tell now, free and fair. They know. He knows that his other brother, Governor Obaseki, is better than him. He knows. Say, who will really feel on this state where the state will not crash? He knows in Obaseki. He means no. Just like in our business, man, every 4 years in they can't try to use politics to also. So don't be deceived by people. Please share this broadcast. Okay? I'll do my best to do daily live video. Just share it. This is my live video. They travel where people they watch them. That's why you need to join me. They share them. Share them for WhatsApp. Share them for everywhere. And they use something they influence people. This is my live video. Don't reduce crime for this state. It don't reduce electoral violence. Because on this platform, for they expose all their evil plans. All their evil plans, and here will they expose them. And here will they alert the public of what they are planning. So don't just watch it alone. You'll forward and you'll share. Everybody will their way. The only way you can win the election is when the masses don't know you want to read their election. Now the people are aware that the Tigers and Lions are going to be moving on that day. The government already assure us say no level. I mean, don't say no level. That's Rama Baba and Abioba. Mama Egbima. Even someone that go hide their family for abroad, say they'll not destroy everywhere. We know people don't already identify their family for abroad. Again, I know a lot of things, so make them go do nonsense first. A matter of men about a worry, my family been a lawyer on a not remain the doorway or Mobobo. If you hear every man, if a bogey or hire every man, they're in trouble. They don't across. People in the diaspora are working, and if you still know any of the way near you, want to go identify where their family they stay. For what family, but what a lawyer. We will give them the proof to go show government for them saying that their papa and their brother for years they commit this crime. And then they cause this. Anybody die for this election, they shoot or they kill anybody for this election. And they are ahead because we already know the Tigers and the Lions. Election, everybody go vote. They can't vote. They announce the winner. Why the desperation? If you are really coming to serve the people, why are you desperate? Me, I'm not desperate for anything, but I am desperate for my state to move forward. Because I have no other place to call my own. If I go Lagos 3 days, I don't come back. If I go Abuja 2 days, I don't come back. If people even go abroad and they come back. To call my own. This is my state. This is my city. You know, where I will go for the world. I must fall back to this place, and I want my state to move forward. That is why I'm doing this. You that is commending me about you, they try. You can do better than that. No more can you error. Allah will. Let us make sure. Concept about 19. May we bury Ushomole politically. We are going to bury him with our PVC. Next time, if Ushomole see beneath people, if you see a dog people, he will know that you cannot take this people for granted. He will go up. Anyway, we pursue and go. Because a dog will be, I don't know easy for her to stay the humiliation when he will face. He will call the devil and say, mess. I tried to take them for granted for a ride. It failed. Cannot tell us somebody poured acid on the mass private party in 2016. Say, as we speak now, that man with the pour acid, nothing born, nothing get family. You tell us, say, person 2016, say, you don't even give a board appointment because you don't trust them. You only live and make it a play politics. You say the other man, the governor, don't work for 7.5 years. without collecting salary, without collecting money. Say he use the influence, they build the economic team office without asking government for a dime. He don't use the influence, they help you. He bring the brain where you not get. You get the gaga, he get the brain, they help you. That he has been part of the mission. He has been part of the tradition. He has been part of the vision. That from Sugbenu to Uzelema, that governor do the road, governor get hand. Now, because say in Guano, what you want done the government to want to accept to any of those states, the man not agree. Now you're not saying don't push should change him. Oshomole, you cannot tell us what to do. It is an insult. It is an insult on me, on my family, on the people, on my lineage, on my race. It's an insult on us. In Edo North, where Oshomole is from a minority in Edo North. The same Oshomole wants to decide, wants to dictate for Edo people. Edo people will say our head correct. Everybody is smart for Edo. Here not be Kogi, here not be Lagos. Here not be Kano. Everybody is smart for Edo. So on that day, call your people. If you don't get PVC, call person will get PVC. You don't get PVC, don't say you go sit down. Call somebody will get PVC, my brother. I don't get PVC, I don't feel vote. I beg on that day, go help me vote. Go vote for PDP. Go vote for Obaseki. Go vote for Finish Waibu. Governor now don't say he want to prove stormwater project. That he has been paying since Oshomole left office. But this time around, he's going to probe the stormwater project. I'm not here when governor don't say Oshomole be say a Daken market. Where we want to call Sulu market to his brother. I know that his brother wants to give whether na Mika be ne Mika. Governor, no. What are you saying? Governor of Tona. Governor, they expose her. Many things, they got to open his mouth. Now, will stone Oshomole for this Edo. If governor open his mouth, talk, with it cause all this wahala. Now, we know Oshomole is a really evil man. Oshomole is a really short devil. Now, we know Oshomole is a really short devil. So, Edo people will not be mumu. Will not be mumu. Nobody will feel use us like remote. If we get few, we're greedy, when they don't follow and become money. If we get some people, so every Edo rich man will not get when their head not correct again, when they follow someone foolishly, because maybe what they want gain. Me, Abatobaze, you will not see me there. And trust me, 95% of Edos, our brain they intact, we smart, and we ready to resist them. Don't be deceived by the higher crowd. You see that they carry crowd up and down. Money will they not spend for their campaign. Arabia is only on LA. Arabia is on via LA. Money they don't spend. But now so God is also about where Akbar go, and so God will frustrate them every day. So my people, I beg me to not start the real campaign. Campaign never stop. The real campaign are from tomorrow till election day, which is mosquito campaign, door to door. Call your family, talk to somebody, be generous to people, move around, move. That means the campaign, mosquito campaign starts tomorrow. Governor don't go around. Governor has done his own. Our own now, Obimagiye, is for us now to now go to the grassroots and do what we call mosquito campaign. Ask to ask. You can do it. Wake up in the morning. I saw a video of one woman on megaphone. She was doing street on street on her own. Jehovah Witness level, door to door. Go to New Benin, buy them, it's cheap. Contribute your quota. Do something. Do something to move Edo State forward. But I deliver Obaseki. Obaseki will know say yes, I don't put deliver, I don't be one godfather. Shebi they say governor not the fit campaign. Who is campaigning for him now? After some of that, they said Oshomole almost spoiled our campaign in 2016. Because it was always confronting people, it was always bashing people, it was always insulting people. Look at governor. Governor don't insult anybody. No. There's no record, there's no clip of governor insulting notable leaders in Edo State. It don't day. Even as Oshomole don't do this, they never insult Oshomole. Mona piano, mona sukibi, mona koko powano. But I go Oshomole, I don't know Rovie. Yes, I'm Rovie Rovie, ave make go, ava make go, gentleman make go, wow. Don't know Oshomole Marovie do. It's a great problem for us 2016. People would talk say about that time they'll say I like the man with the support. I like Obaseki, but I don't vote for him because of Oshomole. So I say we were not almost all the market. Today now, the man is doing issue-based campaign, clean campaign. See, everywhere you go is Obaseki. You must not go dirty like Oshomole. You must not do the dirty campaign like Oshomole. No! Politics is not dirty. Just that we allow dirty people play politics. That's why people, if you say politics is dirty, it's not dirty. That's why we need more sane, smart people, men of integrity to enter politics, so that we can weed all these rascals, all these bad people out of our political space. So I don't talk my own. Everybody make una dey talk. Don't all of you do live video, do groundwork. If you can do live video every day. Talk to your people. Everybody an influencer. I don't know more. Thank you very much. I hope you have shared. Let me see how many people have shared. Please, we need more shares, please. I hope you have shared. We need more shares. We need 1,000 shares. If 1,000 people they share my videos every day, trust me, on that day, those tigers and lions don't even feel come for us. Or did they go catch them? Fear will grip them. Because the day will break like this. Each other die. Lao. Kilodina. You want me now? Hey yo. Lao. Kilodina. Lao. Hey yo. All those tigers and lions. They will snap for us. You don't people will come aside. If they see me, they say try their safe. I will hear that now. I will hear that. That day, people who want to do live video for those states, there are more than 10,000 people. Anywhere you see live video, you see live video. If INEC want to do guru, they will confuse. If police want to do guru, police they will confuse. We are going to compel them to do the right thing. Let's protect our democracy. Let's sustain it. Let's move Edo State forward. Thank you very much. For those that have shared, I love you. You guys are making the campaign tick. You guys are making the campaign strong. You guys are now they say abat. If not be now, it will be abat. Now make abat. For those that are here to share, please share. We need more shares. But we don't have money to sponsor. So we need more shares so that the message will go viral. People they watch us outside the state, after Edo State. People politicians from Abuja they watch us with Lagos. Tinubu they watch me steady. I get calls from Lagos. People they watch me steady. Nobody will feel use Edo to negotiate their presidency. Edo is Edo. South is PDP. Edo is PDP. Obaseki is PDP. Vote Obaseki. Vote Felix Shaibu. Vote PDP. Vote Umbrella. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye. I play music for now. Come out.
Obaseki na PDP. Na PDP we dey. Obaseki no we dey. Obaseki na umbrella. Obaseki na umbrella. Obaseki na PDP. Obaseki na PDP. The symbol is umbrella. Na PDP we dey. Obaseki no be brew. Obaseki no be brew. Oya. Obaseki Shaibu. Togba. Them plenty achievements, yo. Let them bring Edo best. Many renovation. Everybody they happy for Edo. They say Obaseki na correct governor. Obaseki na umbrella. Obaseki na umbrella. Obaseki na PDP. Obaseki no be brew. Obaseki no be brew. PDP. Power to the people. Obaseki na umbrella. Obaseki na PDP. Na PDP we dey. achievement, yo. Let them bring Edo best. Many renovation. Everybody they happy for Edo. They say Obaseki na correct governor. Obaseki na umbrella. Obaseki na umbrella. Obaseki na PDP. Obaseki na PDP. Na PDP we dey. Obaseki no be bro. Obaseki no be bro. PDP. Power to the people.
Oshomole is not our God. No man is God. Obaseki is our governor. Obaseki is our own. PDP is the party. Listen to this one.
No man is God. Obaseki your governor. Forward never, backward never. Let's go further together. Godwin Obaseki our governor. Obaseki is the right candidate for Edo.
It's all double. How you say? Man, we thank God. What do you talk? You didn't need to call you back. I'll call you back. Thank you very much. Tomorrow. Bye.